Yes, friends, check here. Question number 1 to 3. See here. There is AB axis. There is AB axis in such a way that A is north and B is south. A is north and B is south. Next, there is XY axis such that X is west and Y is east. X is west and Y is east. Leave it. AB and AB axis and XY axis intersect at point Q. Yes, both are intersecting at point Q. Next, such a way that AQB is 14 meter. Yes, one check. The mention is for AQB is 14. See, AQB is 14 meter. Next, QB is 25. One check. QB is 25 meter. QX is 23. QX is 23 meter. QY is what? 18 meter. Yes, leave it. While facing toward the south direction and point A, yes, at point A they are facing south direction. Next one is what? Dax takes left and walks for 15 meter. Now he is taking left turn and he is walking for 15 meter. Yes. Now he is facing east, then left turn and right hand. Next. After that, he takes right turn and walks for 34 meter. He is taking right turn and walks for 34 meter. This one is part 14. Now 34 meter means remaining is part 20. Yes. His total is what? 25. Yes. He takes right turn and walks for 34 meter. Walks for 34 meter and reach it to point C. Yes. Now Dax is at this position. At present is at this position. Yes. Leave it. Next. Friends, here, while facing toward the south direction from point C, at point C they are facing south only. Next. Sonam takes a right, see, while facing the towards south direction from point C. Sonam takes her right turn. She is facing south, mean left turn and right turn. Then and walks for 38 meter. Yes. When this one is 15, this one is a compulsory 15. This one is a compulsory 15. Then he turns to right and walks for 38 meter. This one is 15. Now this one is 23. Total is what? 38 meter. And he reached to point D. Now this one is what? Sonam. This one is what? Sonam. Yes. Take question here. First question. Friends, here, question number 1 is what? See here, point X is in which direction with respect to Dax's final point? See here, point X is which direction with respect to Dax's final point? This is the Dax's final point, and this one is Dax, this one is what? Sonam. So X is which direction with respect to Dax means here east, west, north, south. Which direction here? Northwest. Answer is what? Northwest. So question number 1, option E. Question number 2, point D is which direction with respect to dark starting point? D is which direction with respect to dark starting point? This one is what? Dark starting point. So friends, again, point D is which direction with respect to dark starting point? Answer is what? Here, southwest. Answer is what? Southwest. Yes. So answer is option E. Next, question number 3. What the distance between point D and point X? Distance between point D and X. And distance between point D and X. Friend, this one is what? 20. This one has a compulsory 20. Then this one has a compulsory 20. Distance between D and X is what? 20 meter. Yes. Answer is what? Option A. Yes, friends, again. Question number 48. Here the again question is from sitting arrangement. Leave it. Friends, again, they given on is part. There are 8%, namely A to H, who all are sitting around a square table facing toward the center. They all are like different genres of movies. Yes, they are liking different types of movies. And yes, leave it. Next, horror, comedy, action, animation, suspense, drama. Next, sci-fi and historical, but not necessarily in the same order. Next, 4 of them are sitting at the corners and rest are sitting in the middle of the sides. Total we are having 8 members, but all are facing center. But 4 is at corner, remaining 4 is at middle. Yes, friends, check here. Total here we are having 8 members. Out of 8 members, 4 of them sitting at corners, remaining 4 is at the middle. But all are facing towards center. All are facing towards center means no need to mention direction. Leave it. Next, G does not like historical or action movie. Leave. C who likes comedy sits second left of the one who likes horror. 3 people sit between the one who likes horror and D who likes suspense. Next, B does not like action genre movie. Next, H is at immediate left of D. Friends, for D here we are having connecting points on it. Take D. See here. But we don't know whether D is at corner or D is at middle. Take one possibility. D is at corner, middle. Other possibility is what? D is at corner and D is at corner. Suppose friends, check here. If you take D is at corner, D is at corner. Now, they mention is what? Three people sit between the one who likes horror and D. This one is part. D means now this one is part here horror. Now suppose friend check here. This one is D means this one is part here horror. Yes. Three people sit between D and the one who likes horror. The one who likes horror. And D like here who likes means what? D likes. D likes here suspense. Yes, friend check here. D likes here suspense. Yes, here also D likes here suspense. Yes, leave it. Next, take next point. See here. If you know about this one, horror means see here. See who likes comedy. Sit second left of the one who likes horror. C second left of horror. C second left of horror. For horror, first left, second left is what? C. For horror, first left, second left is what? C. Now C is second left of horror, but C likes here comedy. C likes here comedy. Yes. Now friends check it. Here also C likes here comedy. Next point is what? Friends check here. B does not like action genres type movies. Leave it. H sits immediate left of D. Now H is immediate left of D. Here also H is immediate left of D. Yes, leave it. Next point. E sits diagonal opposite to G. E and G are diagonally opposite. Diagonal means what? This one only. See, diagonal means what? This one. E and G are diagonally opposite. Now E and G, no chance. Y means already C. Here E and G, no chance. Already D. That means this possibility is wrong. Now E and G are diagonally opposite. E and G are diagonal opposite means now these are the this one is diagonal, this one is the diagonal. But this diagonal no chance. Now this one is what? E R G. This one is what? G R E. E and G are diagonally opposite. Yes, leave it. Next one. The one who likes action sits diagonal opposite to the one who likes animation. Action is diagonal opposite to animation. That means action animation here chance. This diagonal also chance. Leave it. Next one. Friends here, H does not like action movie. Leave. The one who likes sci-fi sits immediately left of the one who likes comedy. Yes, friends here. The next one is what? Sci-fi is sci-fi is immediately left of comedy. Now, previous taken point is what? Friends here. The one who likes action sits diagonal opposite to animation. Action and animation both are diagonal opposite. Now this diagonal no chance. Why means this one is what already here we are having sci-fi. That means here action animation is the only possibility. But H does not like H does not like H does not like here action. That means H is what? Animation. H is what? Animation. If H is animation means now this one is what? Here action. This one is what? Here action. Next point. Friends, here next point is what? See here. A does not sit next to C and does not like horror. A does not sit next to C. A here no chance. Does not like horror. Here no chance. This is the possibility for A. This is the possibility for A. The one who likes drama sits second left of D. For D, first left, second left is what? Drama. The one who likes drama sits second left of D. Yes. Now friends here, remaining here, they mention one more clue point for B. B does not like action genre movie. Yes. For B, action no chance. For B, action no chance means for B, possibility is what? Horror. Now take remaining percents A, B, C, D, E. Remaining is what? F. Remaining is what? F. Now remaining movie is what? Friends check here. Remaining movie and horror completed comedy, action, animation, suspense, drama, historical. Remaining is what? Historical. Yes. Now this is the only possibility for historical. This is the only possibility for historical. Yes. But begin clue point is what? Friends check here. G does not like historical. That means for G here, no chance. Then this one is what? E. Now this one is what? Here, G. G and E are diagonally opposite. G does not like historical. Yes, this is the given arrangement. Now take questions. Question number 4. Who among the following sits diagonal opposite to the one who likes sci-fi? So diagonal opposite to science and finance. Sci-fi opposite is what? Here, E. So friends here, E otherwise historical. Yes. So answer is what? Here, historical. So answer is option D. Next, if 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way, thus form a group, which one is not belongs to that group? That means out of given 5 options, 4 are same, one is different, which one is the different? Now, friends check here. The one who likes comedy, is at middle. G is at middle or corner? G is at corner. F is middle or corner? Friends, okay, F is corner. Next one, the one who likes historical is at corner. H is at corner. Then simple answer is what? Comedy. Why means the one who likes comedy is at middle, but remaining all are at corner. So question number 5 answer is option A. Question number 6. Which among the following genre does A likes? So A likes which one? Friends, okay, A likes which one? Here A likes a drama. So question number 6, answer is option B. Question number 7, friends, here. Who among the following pair represent those who are immediate neighbors of B? Immediate neighbors of B, E and F, otherwise historical action. Historical action, yes. Historical action, immediate neighbors of B. Historical action, no. Historical action, no. Next, comedy, no. Next, historical comedy, no. Immediate neighbors of B are historical and action. Historical and action, there is no option B, then simple answer is what? None of these. Question number 7, option E. Question number 8, if all of them are made to sit in the alphabetical order starting from A in clockwise direction, yes. So starting from A in clockwise direction, they are in the alphabetical order. Suppose friends take A clockwise, B next, C next, D next, E, F, G, infinite spot, H, infinite spot, H. Then how many persons remains at their original position excluding A? So excluding A, here E and B no, B and C no, F and D no, CE next, GF no, next DC no, H is said before and after H position is part same. That means only one. So question number 8, answer is option C. Friends, again, next question number 9 to 38. Here again question is from inequalities. Friends, again, P at the rate Q means P is neither smaller nor equal. So friends, here neither smaller nor equal. No chance for smaller, no chance for equal means what? Greater than. Next, P copyright Q means what? Neither, not greater than. Not greater than means possibility is what? Less than or equal to. Less than or equal to. Next, P hash Q means what? Friends, here P hash Q means what? P is neither greater nor equal. No chance for greater than, no chance for equal means possibility is what? Less than. Possibility is what? Less than. Next, P dollar Q means what? P is neither greater than nor smaller than. No chance for greater, no chance for smaller means possibility is what? Equal to. P percentage Q means what? P is not smaller than. Not smaller than means what? Greater than or equal to. No chance for smaller means possibility is what? Greater than or equal to. Take care given question from check here. A at the rate. Friends, at the rate means what? A greater than C. A greater than C. See, at the rate means what? Here. A greater than C. B has C. Friends, B has C means what? B is less than C. That means here C is greater than B. See, C is greater than B. B percentage D. B percentage D means what? B greater than or equal to D. Take care first one. Copyright. Copyright means what? Less than or equal to. Percentage means what? Friends, check here. Greater than or equal to. At the rate means what? Greater than. Check here. B and A. B and A, friends, here. Greater than result is what? Greater than. So A greater than B. A greater than B. That means here B less than A. But our requirement is what? Less than or equal to A. First one is false. Second one, C and D. Greater than or equal to greater than. That means C greater than D. But our requirement is what? Greater than or equal to D means second one is false. Third one, A and D. Friends, A and D. Greater than or equal to. Result is what? Greater than. Greater than or equal to greater than. So A greater than D. A greater than D. Yes, that means here third one is true. That means answer is what? Only 3. Only 3 means answer is what? Option D. Next, question number 10. Question number 10 is what? L copyright M. Copyright means what? L less than or equal to M. M dollar. Dollar means what? M equal to R. R hash. Hash means what? R less than T. Friends, take here. Conclusion number 1. See here. The mention is what? L hash. Hash means what? Less than. Hash means what? Less than. At the rate means what? Greater than. Next, percentage means what? Greater than or equal to. Now, check here. L and T. L and T relation is what? One check between L and T. What are the symbols here? Less than or equal to, equal to, less than. Less than or equal to, equal to, less than or equal to. Less than or equal to, less than, less than. So, L less than T. Then first one is true. First one is true. Go for second one. T and M. T and M relation is what? Equal to, less than. See here. Equal less than is what? Less than. So m less than t, then t greater than m. Second one is true. Third one, r and l less than or equal to less than or equal to. So l less than or equal to r, then r greater than or equal to l. Yes. Third one also true. Then answer is what? All are true. Answer is what? All are follows. So question number 10, option E. Question number 11, friends, check it. P at the rate Q. At the rate means what? Greater than. That means P greater than Q. P greater than Q. Q percentage. Percentage means what? Q greater than or equal to R. R hash. Hash means what? R less than yes. Take here. Dollar. Dollar means what? Here equal to. Hash means what? Less than. Percentage means what? Friends, check here. Greater than or equal to. Yes, check here. S and Q. Friends, check here. S and Q relation is what? Friends, check here. S and Q relation is what? Both are opposite. Opposite means what? We can't say. We can't say means simply S equal to Q wrong. S less than Q also wrong. S greater than or equal to Q also wrong. Then simply answer is what? Friends, check here. All are wrong. All are wrong. But friends, check here. Take here conclusion number 2 and conclusion number 3. Between S and Q relation is what? One is greater than or equal to, other one is what? Less than. So both are opposite means what? We can't say. We can't say means what are the possibilities for inequalities? There is chance to take less than, there is chance to take greater than, there is chance to take equal to. Now conclusion number second one and third one both should be wrong. First requirement for either are is satisfied. Now subjective is yes. Here yes, subjectives and predicatives in both the conclusions are same. Second requirement is satisfied. So by using our statement between S and Q relation is what? We can't say. We can't say means what are the possibilities? Maybe less than, or maybe greater than, or maybe equal to. Here less than present, greater than present, equal to present. That means three symbols are present. Then third requirement is satisfied. If it satisfies three conditions, answer is what? Either or. Answer is what? Either or. Then answer is what? Either 2 or 3. Answer is what? Either 2 or 3. Yes. So answer is option C. Question number 11, option C. Question number 12, friends, check it. M hash n. M hash means what? M is less than n. N copyright. Copyright means what? Less than or equal to P. O at the rate P. O at the rate means what? O is greater than P. O is greater than P. That means here P is less than O. Take a hash means what? Less than. Percentage means what? Greater than or equal to. At the rate means what? Greater than. Take here. First conclusion. M and P. Between M and P, what are the symbols here? Less than or equal to less than. So M less than P. Then first one is true. Second one. O and N. O and N relation is what? Less than or equal less than? Less than. So N less than O. Then O greater than N. But greater than or equal to N means second one is wrong. Third one. O and M. O and M relation is what? From check it. O and M less than or equal to less than. Result is what? Less than. So M less than O. Then O greater than M. Yes. Third one is true. Then answer is what? 1 and 3 is true. Then 1 and 3 is 2 means answer is what? Option D. Question number 12, option D. Question number 13, friends, check here given statement. E copyright F. Friends, copyright means what? Friends, check E is less than or equal to F. F dollar. Dollar means what? F equal to L. Hash means what? Less than K. Percentage. Percentage means what? Greater than or equal to. Hash means what? Less than. Hash means what? Less than. Now, take here. L and E. Less than or equal to less than or equal to. So, E less than or equal to L. L greater than or equal to E. First one is true. Second one, K and E. Friends, check here. K and E. See here. Less than or equal to less than. Less than or equal to less than or equal to. Less than or equal to less than. So, here E less than K. E less than K. Then K is greater than E. But here they mention K is less than E means second one is false. Third one, E and L. E and L relation is what? See here. Less than or equal to less than or equal to. So E less than or equal to L. But our requirement is what? E is compulsory less than L means this one is what? False. Then answer is what? Only one follows. Only one follows means answer is what? Option E. Next, friends, again. Next question. Sige. Question number 14 to 18. Here again question is from coding and decoding. Yes, friends, again. Friend, the next one is what? Party said this might is coded as B has 6, H at the rate 5, G at the rate 5, G has 6. Friends, 1 second. Friends, once if you are going to observe, number of that, see, number logic is what? See, what are the given numbers here? 6, 5, 5, 6. That means number is less than 10. Number is less than 10 means maximum possible logic is what? Number of letters in the given word. Number of letters in the given word. Party having how many letters? 5. Said having 4 letters. That means not there. That means plus 1 something second. So party having how many letters here? 5. 5 plus 1 6. 6 is there or not there? Yes. 2 6 we are having. Said having 4 letter plus 1 5. This having 4 letter plus 1 5. Might having 5 letters plus 1 6 letter. Yes. Suppose and check for any other one. Friends, see. Friends, suppose see here 4 letter words, 2. Here we are having 3 letter word has. Friends, see has having how many letters here? 3. Friends, again, previously we assumed that the logic for number is what? Number of letters in the given word plus 1. Suppose in this case we can't able to conclude definite code. Why means party having 5 letters. 5 plus 1 is what? 6. But 6 is present in 2 codes. We can't say definite code. Said having 4 letters. 4 plus 1 is what? 5. But 5 is present in 2 codes. We can't say. Then simply check here in this case. Friends, again, in this case if you take here has having how many letters here? 3. 3 plus 1 is what? 4. 3 plus 1 is what? 4. That means 1 is what? Here H hash 4. That means here we are having only 1 4. That means we are able to conclude what the code for has and what the code for has means. Answer is what? Friends, check here. H hash 4. Answer is what? H hash 4. Yes. So now by using, friends, check here, by using has, how we are going to get H? How we are going to get H? Logic for number is completed. Logic for number is what? Number of letters in the given word, then plus 1. Next one, check here. Then by using has, how we are going to get H and how we are going to get H? Suppose first letter is same, H, H, P, P, not there. First letter is same, no chance. Next, suppose S opposite is what? S opposite is what? H. Suppose last letter opposite. Suppose last letter opposite. Y opposite. Yes, Y opposite is what? B there. D opposite is what? W. W is not there. Yes, friends, again. Friends, again, by using has and we know the logic for number. Logic for number is what? Number of letters in the given word plus 1. So friends, here 3 letters plus 1 is what? 4. So here second line 4 is present in only one code. Then default code for has is what? H hash 4. But by using has, how we are going to get H? How we are going to get H? How we are going to get H means first letter is same. This logic is not applicable for remaining. Last letter opposite. This one also not applicable for remaining. Suppose friends, check here. In has, highest alphabet is what? In alphabetical form, highest one is what? Yes, highest one is what? Yes. S opposite is what? H. S opposite is what? H. One check this logic. Suppose take here party and suppose friends check here. Here party. Party having how many letters here? 5 letters. Then 5 plus 1 is what? 6. 5 plus 1 is what? 6. Now friends check here. Logic for number is completed. Logic for letter is what? So in the given word, highest alphabet opposite. In the given word party, highest alphabet is what? B. B opposite is what? Here. Sorry. Highest alphabet is what? Y. Y opposite is what? B. Then B6. Yes or no? Yes. Suppose check this one. Take here. Said. S-A-I-D. How many letters here we are having? 4. Plus 1 is what? Here. 5. Next. Logic for letter is what? Highest alphabet opposite. Highest one is what? Yes. S opposite is what? H. H5. Present or not present? Yes. H5 is present. Next one. Suppose one check here. Anyone. Your choice. Suppose take this one. Suppose one check here. This. If you take here this means now total 4 letters here we are having. Then 4 plus 1 is what? 5. Number 5. Next. Highest letter is what? Here. S19 T20. Highest one is what? T. T opposite is what? G. Now G5. Yes. G5. Yes. Logic for letter is completed. Logic for number also completed. Logic for letter is what? See, highest alphabet in the given word, opposite letter. Logic for number is what? Number of letters in the given word plus 1. Next. Logic for symbol. See, B6 between symbol is what? Hash. Symbol is what? Hash. Said H5. H5 between symbol is what? At the rate. G5 between symbol is what? Here. At the rate. That means symbol. See, said having how many letters here? 4. This having how many letters here? 4. That means if it is a even number of letters, then symbol is what? At the rate. Next, party having odd. If it is a odd number of letters means what? Here. Hash. Odd means what? Hash. Next, number logic is what? Number logic is what? Number of letters plus 1. Number of letters plus 1. Next, letter logic is what? Highest alphabet in the given word, highest alphabet in the given word, then opposite. Yes, these are the given logics. And yes, now take question. Sige, question number 14. What is the code for supported? F1 check. What the code for here? Supported. So what the code for here? Supported means supported having total how many letters here? Here 9 letters. Then 9 plus 1 is what? Here 10. 9 letters. 9 means what? Odd. Odd means symbol is what? Here hash. Odd means symbol is what? Here hash. Now highest letter is what? U. U opposite is what? F. Then answer is what? F hash 10. There is no option. Answer is what? None of these. Next one. Question number 15. What the code for asking? What the code for here? Asking. Friends, asking and how many letters here? 6. 6 plus 1 is what? 7. Odd number of letters means what? Symbol is what? At the rate. Highest alphabet is what? Yes. S opposite is what? H. Answer is what? H at the rate 7. Answer is what? Option D. Next one. Select. Friends, here. Select having how many letters here? 6. 6 means what? Here. Number of letters plus 1. Number logic. Then 6 means what? Even. Even means symbol is what? At the rate. Highest alphabet is what? T. Highest one is what? T. T opposite. G. Answer is what? G at the rate 7. G at the rate 7. Option C. Next question number 17. What is the code for certain? What is the code for here? Certain. Yes, friends, check here. What the code for here? Certain means certain and total letters here. See here. 3, 6, 7 letters. So friends, here 7 letters mean number logic is what? Number of letters plus 1. 8. Now 7 letters means what? Odd. Odd means symbol is what? Hash. Now highest alphabet is what? Friends, check here. Highest alphabet is what? T. T opposite is what? G. Then answer is what? G hash 8. So answer is what? Option D. Question number 17. Option D. Question number 18. What is the code for remain? What is the code for here? Remain. Yes, friends, check here. So friends, here remain having total how many letters here? 6 letters. So friends, here remain having 6 letters. Remain having 6 letters. Now number logic is what? Number of letters plus 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 6 letter means what? Even. Even means symbol is what? At the rate. Highest alphabet is what? Friends, check here. R. R opposite is what? I. Then answer is what? I at the rate 7. I at the rate 7 means answer is what? Option B. Question number 18. Option B. Next, friends, here. Next. Question number 19 to 23. 19 to 23. Yes, friends, here. 8 members, MNO, PQ, RST, are sitting around a circular table for dinner, such that some of them are facing toward the center and some are facing outside the center. Yes. So totally we are having 8 members. Out of 8 members, some are inside and some are outside. Yes, leave it. Next point. They all are lives in the same apartment, such that the ground floor. Again, they given floors and they given floors. So here they given circle, they given floors. Ground floor is 1, 2, next 3, 4, 5, 6. Next 7. Next they given is what? 8. See here. They given ground floor is 1. Topmost floor is what? 8. Leave it. R does not face outside of the center. That means here R is facing inside. R is facing inside. Yes, leave it. Next. Next point is what? Q sets. Q sets. Tar right of P. Q is tar right of P. Who lives on the even number floor? Who qualifies P? P is on the even number floor. And both face the same direction. P and P lives on the even number floor. Next one is what? P and Q both are facing the same directions. Yes, leave it. Next one. The one who lives on the 8th floor, the one who lives on the 8th floor sits tar left of P. 8th floor is tar left of P and second right of third floor. Yes, friends, here. The one who lives on the 8th floor is tar left of P and second right. And qualifies 8th floor person is second right of the one who lives on the third floor. Leave. N and S faces the same direction. N, S both are facing same. Leave it. Next. R who lives on the 5th floor. Yes, friends, okay. R lives on the 5th floor. Next. R lives on the 5th floor. Sits tar right of N. R is tar right of N. Next. Who lives on an even number floor? N is on the even number floor, but not in second and sixth. But not in second and sixth means for N possibilities for. Friends, okay. N but not second and sixth. For N here no chance. Next. For N sixth also no chance. Then for N possibilities for 4th floor or 8th floor. Why means N lives in the even number floor. Next, leave it. R is one of the immediate neighbor of P. R is one of the immediate neighbor of P. That means, friends, check here. For P here chance. For P here also chance. Next. And sits tar right of M. See here. R is one of the immediate neighbor of P and sits tar right of M. And qualifies here R. R is tar right of M. Who faces the center? That means M is inside. So R is tar right of M. But M is facing inside. For R, 1, 2, 3. If I will take here M inside, R is what? Tar left. Our requirement is what? Right means then. For R, 1, 2, 3. This one is what? M. M is facing inside, R is sitting third right of M. Yes. Friends, see here, previously taken one point is what? R is, see here, R who lives on the fifth floor sits third right of N. R is third right of N. For R, here third person this side no chance. For R, this is the only possibility for N. Then N is compulsory facing outside. Then only R is third right of N. Yes, leave it. Next one. Friends, check here. Next point is what? Friends, check here. R is one of the immediate neighbor of P and sits third right of M who facing inside live. Q does not live on the third floor. Yes, friends, check here. Q does not live on the third floor. Next one is what? The one who lives on the seventh floor sits opposite to one who lives on the sixth floor. Seventh is opposite to sixth floor. Next. S sits second right of the one who lives on the first floor. Next one is what? Friends, check here. O lives on the second floor and facing the same direction as R. O is living on the second floor. O is living on the second floor. Yes. Now, friends, check here. N is lives on the even number floor. N is lives on the even number floor, but not in second and but not in sixth. For N possibility is what? Fourth floor and eighth floor. Suppose, friends, here we know N position already, but we know one clue point. The one who lives on the eighth floor sits third left of P. Eighth floor is third left of P. If I will take here P, N is third left, no chance. If P inside, here third left this side. If P outside, third left also, N, no chance. If I take P here, N is third left, no chance. That means N does not live on the eighth floor. Friends, okay? The one who lives on the eighth floor is third left of P. So for eighth floor possibility is what? Here, N, no chance to sixth floor, no chance to second floor means possibility is what? 8 or 4. Now, suppose, friends, check here. If I take here P, N is third left, no chance. If I take P here also, N is third left, no chance. So, friends, here, the one who lives on the eighth floor is third left of P. That means for N eighth floor is no chance. So, N eighth floor is no chance means for N possibility is what? Fourth floor. N possibility is what? Fourth floor. Yes. Now, they give one more clue point is what? P lives in an even number of floor. Friends, okay. P lives in an even number of floors. Okay. P lives in an even number of floor. So for P possibility is what? Sixth chance. Next one is what? Eighth chance. But eighth floor person is third left of P. That means eighth floor person is different and P is different. That means here for P possibility is what? Sixth floor. Yes, again. Friends, P lives in an even number of floor. So even number means possibilities are 6 and 8. But eighth floor person is what? Third left of P. That means eighth floor person is different. P is different. That means P is what? Sixth floor. P is what? Sixth floor. If you know about P means what? Seventh floor and sixth floor persons are facing opposite. Yes. Now, if I take here P, P is what? Sixth floor. Seventh floor N. No chance. N is fourth floor. That means this one is what? No chance for P. Now this one is what? Here P. This one is P means this one is what? M. Now seventh floor, sixth floor opposite. Then P is sixth floor means now M is what? Seventh floor. M is seventh floor. Yes. Now Q does not live on the third floor. Then for Q possibility is what? Eighth floor and first floor. Eighth floor and first floor. Yes. QV is third right of P. Friends, again. They given one is what? QV is third right of P. QV is third right of P. But eighth floor person is what? Third left of P. Eighth floor person is third left of P means now QV is different and eighth floor person is different. That means for Q, eighth floor, no chance. Then for Q possibility is what? First floor. For Q possibility is what? First floor. Now remaining possibilities for remain two are possibilities for S and T. S or T is what? Maybe 8th floor or maybe 3rd floor. Yes. S or T. Here 8th floor or here 3rd floor. S or T. Otherwise, if is what? Here T or yes. Yes, leave it. Now, friends, our requirement is what? Friends, again, QV is third right of P and QV is third right of P. Next, P lives in an even number of floor and both are facing same direction. QV is third right of P, but we don't know whether P is facing in or out. Suppose, friends, if P is in, now this one is what? Here Q. This one is what? Q. Friend, this one is Q means now they mention is what? The one who lives on the S8 second right of the one who lives on the first floor. S is second right of the one who lives on the first floor and S is second right of the one who lives on the first floor. So friends, here P comes to the end, here Q comes to the end. Now S is second right of the one who lives on the first floor means what? S is second right of Q. S is second right of Q. Here is then chance to take anywhere. Here both are immediate. Here no. That means take here. P is outside. P outside means what? QV is third right of P. 1, 2, 3. Different spot. Here QV is third right of P. So friends, here QV is third right of P means now our requirement is what? S lives on S8 second right of the one who lives on the first floor. S is second right of the one who lives on the first floor. First floor is what? Q. S is second right of Q. S is second right of Q means now Q inside Here, second right, no chance. Q, outside. Now, this one is part. Yes, this one is part. Yes. Our requirement is what? The one who lives on the third floor is, the one who lives on the eighth floor. Sorry, eighth floor is third left up. P. Yes. That means here S is eighth floor. S is part, eighth floor. See again, if S is eighth floor means, friends again, if S is eighth floor means, now third floor is part. T. Third floor is part here. T. Yes. Now this one is part. Yes. Now this one is part here. Q. Next, Leo, friends again. The given is part. The one who lives on the eighth floor. The one who lives on the eighth floor sits third left of P and second right of the one who lives on the third floor. That means here eighth floor is what? Yes. S is third left of P. S is third left of P and second to the right of, second to the right of who lives on the third floor. Third floor is what? T. S is second right of T. S is second right of T. That means one is what? Here T. T facing inside. T facing inside. Friends, starting the given is what? S and N facing. S and N are facing same direction. See here. They mention here. See here. S and N facing the same direction. S and N facing the same direction means now N is facing outside. Then S also facing outside. S also facing outside. Yes. Next one, friends, check here. Remaining person is what? P completed. Next remaining is what? O. Remaining is what? O. O lives on the second floor and faces the same direction as R. That means one is what? Here. O. O lives on the second floor facing same direction as R. Yes. This is the given entire information. Now take question. Friends, check here. Friends, if it is a floor and circle, take both are parallelly, it will becomes easy. And take question. Who lives on the third floor? Who lives on the third floor here? T. So question number 19, option E. Question number 20. Who among the following states third right of O? Third right of O. First right, second and third right is what? T. So answer is what? T. The one who lives on the third floor. Yes. T. One who lives on the third floor. Yes. The one who is on the 8th floor, no chance, then T. Then answer is what? The one who is on third floor means what? T. Next, here also T. Then answer is what? Both A and B. Who among the following is third right of O? Third right of O, he is what? T. One who lives on the third floor, T. Otherwise, T. Then answer is what? Both A and B. Option D. Question number 21. M lives on which are the following floor? M. M lives on 7th floor. Yes. Question number 21. Option B. Question number 28. Who among the following lives on the first floor? First floor, who lives here? Q. So question number 22. Option C. Question number 23. How many persons sit between S and the one who lives on the 5th floor? S and the one who lives on the 5th floor. 5th floor is what? R. Between S and R, how many persons are there? Between S and R, how many persons? Clockwise 3 members, anti-clockwise also 3 members. Yes. Then answer is what? Option A. Question number 23. Option A. Next. Question number 24 to 28. Here the again questions is from Syllogism. The given is what? Which are the following conclusions are logically follows? Take a statement. All chimney are raised. The given is what? Chimney is raised. Next, all chimney is raised. Next, some rays are cats. Some rays are cats. All cats are tigers. All cats are here tigers. Yes, leave it. Take first conclusion. Some tigers are rays. Some tigers are rays. Friends, again, some part of tiger is mixed with ray. Yes, first one is true. Second one, some tiger are chimney. Tiger and chimney relation is part we can't say. Second one is part can't say. Some cats are chimney. Some cats are chimney. Yes, friends, okay. Cat and chimney is there a connection? No. Then third one also no chance. Then answer is part only one follows. Only one follows means then. Next, fourth one also there. Check once, fourth one. See, some rays are tiger. Some rays are tiger. Check here. Some part of ray is mixed with tiger. Yes. Now, last one is true. Then answer is part 1 and 4 are true. 1 and 4 are true means answer is part option D. Next question number 25. All fans are rooms. Check here. Fans. All fans are room. All fans are here. Room. No room is a green. No room is a green. Next. Some windows are green. Some windows are green. Yes, friends, again. Window. Some windows are green. Next, take first conclusion. Some window or fan. Window here, fan here. Some window is fan. First one is wrong. Next, some window or room. Window here, room here. No. Second one is wrong. Third one. Some fan are green. Some fan is green. We know no fan is green. Third one is wrong. Next, no green is a fan. No green is a fan. Friends, again, no green is a fan. Here we know entire boundary of room is not green. Entire boundary of room is not green means here no fan is a green. Then no green is a fan. Then last one is true. Then answer is what? Only 4 follows. Answer is option C. 26. Sige. Some tablets are rains. Panchage. Tablet. Some tablet is a rain. All dogs are rains. All dogs are rains. Next, all rains are chairs. All rains are here chairs. Take first conclusion. Some chairs are tablets. Some chair is a tablet. Yes. Some part of chair is mixed with here tablet. Yes. Then this one is true. Yes. First one is true one. Next, second one. All dogs are chairs. Yes. All dogs are chairs. Second one is true. Third one. Some tablets are dog. Tablet dog lesson is part. Can't say. Next. Some tablets are chair. Some tablet is mixed with here chair. Yes. Then 1, 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. No option. Then answer is what? None of this. Answer is none of this. Next one, friends, again. Question 27. No moon is a sky. Yes, friends, again. Moon. Here, no moon is a sky. No sky is a road. No sky is a road. Some moon are roads. Friends, again. Friends, again. No moon is a sky. Next, no sky is a road. Next, some moon are road. Some moon are road. Yes. Then, friends, take here. First, take this one. See here. Friends, take last one. Last one is what? Some moon is a road. Some moon is a road. Now, no sky is a road. No sky is a road. Yes. Take first conclusion. No road is a moon. No road is a moon. Friends, again, we know already some part of road is a moon. Then, no road is a moon means first one is false. Second one. Some road is a sky. Some road is a sky. Friends, here we know no road is a sky. They only mention no road is a sky and no road is a sky. Then some road is sky means second one is wrong. Third one. Third one is what? Some skies are moon. Some skies are moon. We know no sky is a moon. Third one is wrong. Fourth one. All roads are moon. This one also wrong. Then answer is what? None follows. Question number 27. Question number 27. Answer is here option A. None follows. Next one. Question number 27, 28. See, some candles are houses. Candle. Some candles are houses. Some houses are trains. Some trains are road. Conclusion number 1. Some roads are candle. Road and candle. Listen is what? Can't say. Some trains are candle. Train and candle. Can't say. Road and house. Road and house is what? Can't say. Some candle are road. Some candle is a road. This one also can't say. See, here candle, here road. Then answer is what? None follows. Question number 28. Answer is what? Option A. Question number 29 to 32. Friends, again. 7 people, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V live on different floors of a building having 7 floors. The lowermost floor is number 1. Topmost floor is what? 7. Yes. Ground floor is 1. Next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is what? Here 7. Leave it. There are trainers of different subject: Java, .NET, PHP, Ruby, next Linux, next HTML, JavaScript, live. P is a trainer of .NET, lives on the even number of floor, but not more than 2 people live below P. So friends, here they mentioned is what? Not more than 2 people lives below P. That means below P, maximum we are having 2 members. Maximum we are having 2 members. So maximum we are having 2 members, but P lives in the even number of floors. See here, the mention is what? P is a trainer of .NET, lives on even number of floor, but not more than 2 people live below P. Below P, maximum we are having 2 people. Maximum we are having 2 people means. So maximum is 2 means minimum is what? 0 also. So suppose see here, P if I take even number of floor, 4th floor means below P, 3 members, no chance. Then this is the only possibility for P. So P lives in an even number of floor. Below P, not more than 2 means what? Minimum is what? 2, 3, 2, 1, 0. So now for P, they mention is what? P is a trainer of .NET. This one is what? Here .NET. This one is what? Here .NET. Leave it. Next one. V lives on 5th floor and is not a trainer of HTML. V is a 5th floor He is not a trainer of HTML. Yes, leave it. Next one. T is a trainer of PHP and lives on one of the odd numbered floor above the trainer of Java. Yes, friends, check it. T is a trainer of here PHP. T is a trainer of PHP and lives on one of the odd numbered floor above the trainer of Java. Yes. So here T lives in an odd numbered floor. T lives in an odd numbered floor, but above the trainer of Java. Yes, leave it. Next one. Friends, check it. Next point is one. Q is a trainer of Ruby. Yes, friends, check it. Q is a trainer of Ruby. We don't know about Q and Ruby floor. Yes, friends, check it. Leave it. Next one. R live just above U. See here, R is just above U. R is just above U. Next, who is a trainer of Linux? Yes, friends, check it. U is a trainer of here Linux. R is just above U. Next, yes, who is a trainer of JavaScript lives below P. So, friends, check it. S is a trainer of JavaScript, but lives below P. Lives below P and yes, friends, check it. Now, friends, check S is a trainer of JavaScript. Next, lives below P. Lives below P. Yes, friends, check JavaScript. Friends, S is a trainer of JavaScript. Lives below the P. Yes, leave it. Now, this is the given entire data. They given entire data. Yes, friends, now, friends, our requirement is what? T is a trainer of PHP. Lives an odd number floor. Then friends of T is a PHP. Odd number floor means here third chance, next seventh also chance, third chance, seventh also chance. Next T is a trainer of PHP. Next T is a trainer of PHP and lives on one of the odd number floor above the trainer of Java. Yes, above the trainer of Java. Suppose friends check. So here T is PHP means odd number floor. Third chance, next seventh also chance. If I take here T is third. But T lives in an odd number floor, but above the Java. This one is JavaScript and this one is what? JavaScript. That means here, if I take here T means, then Java here no chance. Then take this one is what? Here T. Now T is a PHP. T is a PHP. T lives in an odd number floor. Now take this one. Front check here. R is immediately above Linux. R and U both are immediate. Then this one is what? R. Now this one is what? Here U. Here U is what? Here Linux. U is a Linux. Yes. Next one is what? Remaining person. P, Q, remaining is what? Q. Now Q is a Ruby. Q is a Ruby. Yes. Now HTML here no chance me. This is the possibility for HTML. This is the possibility for HTML. Now remaining is what? See here. Remaining is what? Java. Remaining is what? Here Java. Yes. Now see here. T is a T. He will teach PHP and lives on odd number floor above Java. Yes. Take your questions. Question number 29. Sige. Who among the following is a trainer of Java? Trainer of Java is what? B. So question number 29. Option C. Question number 30. Who among the following sits just below the one who is a trainer of HTML? Just below the HTML. Here U Linux. U Linux. Yes. So friends here U the one who is a trainer of Linux. Then answer is what? Both A and C. Both A and C means answer is what? Option D. Question number 31. R lives on which of the following floor? R is lives in which of the following floor? Here, fourth floor. Yes. Question number 31. Option B. Question number 32. How many trainers live between Q and P? Between Q and P, how many trainers here? 1, 2, 3. Here we are having 3 trainers. Yes. Answer is what? Here. Option A. Next. Question number 33. Who among the following live just above V? Just above V. Q. Q Ruby. Answer is what? Option D. 33. Option D. So here, next 34. There are 6% A to F who got different marks in the exam. Yes, friends, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A got more marks than only C and F. A got more marks than only C and F. Otherwise, F and C. F and C. A got more marks than only C and F. Only C and F. Leave. B got less marks than E. B got less marks than E means what? Now, E got more marks than B. Who did not get the highest? That means E did not get the highest. E did not get the highest. That means for E possibility is what? This is the possibility for E. E is what? Here B. Now remaining is what? A, B, C, A, B, C. Next remaining is what? Here D. Remaining is what? Here D. Next. How many persons got less marks than E? Less marks than E. 1, 2, 3, 4%. Yes. Answer is what? Option A. Question number 34. Option A. Next. Question number 35. How many pairs of letters are there in the word here? Boredom. Yes, check it. B-O. Next. R-E-D-O-M. Yes, check it. Each of which has many letters between them in the English alphabet. They given both forward and reverse. Yes, take it. B. Alphabetical form. After B, what will come? B. Next. C. D. E. Yes. One pair is matched. B, C, D, E. Next, F, G, H. No. After O, P, Q, R. No. After R, S. After R, there is no letter. Leave it. E. Next, F, G, H. No. After D, no. Next, after O, here P not there. That means forward here we are having only one pair. Take reverse. M, N, O, P, Q, R. No. O, P, Q, R. Friends, again. Friends, again. O. Next, P, Q, R. Next. Next one is part D. Next one is part E. That means here we are having. So here D. Next one is part here E. Next F, G, H. Next R, S. No. Next O, no. That means here we are having three pair. Then answer is part more than two. Answer is part more than two. Yes. Question number 35. Option C. Question number 36. If 1 is added to odd digit, yes, friends, check it. If it is odd digit, plus 1. Next, 2 is subtract from even digit. Yes. So, friends, here 1 is added to odd digit, number 7, 4. Next, friends, check it. The given is what? Here 7, 4. Next, 5, 3, 6, 1, 2. Next one is what? If it is odd, then plus 1. If it is odd, plus 1. See here 7 plus 1, 5 plus 1. Next, 3 plus 1. 1 plus 1. Yes. If it is odd, plus 1. Next, 2 is subtract from each even digit. If it is even means what? Minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 2. Here, minus 2. Then, how many digits is repeated twice in the new arrangement? Yes. Twice and 2 times. How many digits are there? 7 plus 1, 8. Here, 8 minus 4 minus 2 is what? 2. Next, 6. Next, 4. Next, 4. Next, this one is what? Here, plus 1, 2. Next, this one is what? 0. Twice. Friends, okay, they mention how many digits is repeated twice in the number. Twice. 4 is repeated twice. Next, 2 also repeated twice. That means 2 digits. Then answer is what? Option B. Question number 36. Option B. Question number 37. In an apartment, A to E live on different floors of 5-story building such that ground floor is 1, topmost floor is 5. Yes, ground is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. A lives on the floor only below E's and C's floor. A lives on the floor only below E's and C's floor. Yes, friends, okay. Friends, okay. They mention is what? A lives on the floor only below E and C. That means different is what? Here, A. Here E and C means what? A is only below. A is lives on only below E or only below C means what? These two are the possibilities for C or E. B lives on the floor immediately above D. B is immediately above D. Yes. But for E, see, for E and C, these two are the possibility. E or C, otherwise C or E. Then question is what? Who among the following lives on the second floor? Second floor is what? B. So question number 37. Answer is what? Option B. See, in a row of 13 persons are sitting and facing northern. Yes, friends, check. Sir, read it. Question number 38. See, question number 38. In a row of 13 persons sitting and facing north, A is 7th from right end. Friends, check. A is 7th from right end. From right end, here 6 plus 1, A is 7th from right end. Total 13 members means now remaining is what? Here we are having 6 members. Yes, leave. 5 persons in between B and A. 5% between B and A means, suppose friends, check, maybe left of A or right of A. We don't know. Suppose if I take here A, now friends, check, left of A, there is chance to take right of A also. Between A and B, 5 members. Here 5, B is 1. Here also. Between A and B, 5 members. Here, 1, 1. Now total is what? 6, 7. Now remaining is what? Here we are having 6 members. Here we are having 6 members. Yes. Friends, here persons between A, C is same as between B and C. Yes, friends, okay. AC equal to B and C. So friends, here AC equal to B and C and AC equal to B and C. But friends, here for both of them here common is what? Both of them here common is what? Here C and both of them common is what? C. So friends, if I take here C between A and C, persons between A and C. If I take here C and A, between A and C, 2 members. B and A also 2 members. Chance. Next, here also chance. Here also chance. Then what is the position of B with respect to C? Position of B with respect to C and A. So friends, check here. Position of B with respect to C means here this side chance, that side also chance. That means there is chance to get 2 possibilities. Simple answer is what? Cannot be determined. Answer is option E. Next, question number 39 to 40. See here, given one is what? T is the daughter of P. Yes, friends, check here. The next one is what? T is the daughter of P. Yes, T is the daughter of P. P is the father of L. P is the father of here L. Next, L is the only son of A. L is the only son of A. That means here P and A both are couples. P plus means A is minus. Next, B is the daughter-in-law of A. Daughter-in-law means what? Son 5. Now B is daughter-in-law of A. Next, W is the son of B. W is the son of B. Yes, this is the given one. Take first question. How P is related to B? How P is related to B? Answer is what? Father-in-law. How P is related to B? Answer is father-in-law. 39. Option A. Question number 40. If Y is the husband of T. Friends, okay, the mention is what? If Y is the husband of T, how L is related to Y? How L is related to Y? L is related to Y is what? Brother-in-law. So option A. Question number 40. Option A.